back to Morning Sun Homestead. Today we are going to show you how to transplant our basil plants. Now, my daughters and I were in Costco yesterday, and for a plant of this size, it might be just a little bit larger, perhaps. It was $14.99 for one herb. So let me tell you people, you're going to save a ton of money if you do this. You can buy a pack of seeds for $3. If you don't make your own potting soil and you buy it from the store, that may be, I don't know, I'm going to say $15 maybe. So that you have $18, but you have a big bag of potting soil, you have numerous seeds. You could probably have 15 plants for the $18 compared to $14.99 for one. So it is time to find a nook in your home and plant some herb seeds, which we have showed you numerous places of how to start seeds. It's going to be the same way. It's just that herb seeds sometimes takes a little bit longer to come up. I have some that I have started. These look pitiful right now, but I'm going to transplant them today. This is rosemary. We have sage. I can't even read my writing about what that is. Oregano, I think. And I'm not sure what this is either. I've wrote on the sides and I don't have my glasses on, so it's kind of hard for me to see it. But I'm going to transplant some of these today. Yes, they look puny, but they are going to end up looking just like this. You can save yourself a lot of money if you plant them yourself, and herbs are especially helpful for your family's diet. So what I'm going to do, these are starting to get a little droopy, as you can see, because they're getting root bound. So I have mixed up potting soil. Now, we also have a video on how to mix your own potting soil that will save you a lot of money as well. When I do the transplants of the seedlings, I add about a half a gallon of compost. You can purchase compost very easily. It's not expensive, and that will start feeding your plants without any fertilization. Also, we are going to do a video on what we use for fertilize, and I think that you are going to be really surprised at something that you're throwing into the garbage that you can use to water your tomatoes, peppers, and your house plants. But onto our basil right now. So we've got a larger container, and what I'm going to do, I have a hole in the bottom, which I have said before we need to have one of those. This helps to push the plant out. It also helps to drain the water. So you can see all these roots that's on this plant. Let me just zoom up on that so you can really see. All these white lines are roots. I've got a larger part. Now I'm going to transplant this outside later on, but as for right now, I want to keep it inside because frost or any cold weather kills my basil. So I've made a little hole in my pot, and then I'm just going to fill around it with my potting soil. And once that's done, I'm going to water this well, and it's going to look very nice. So here we are, we have our basil plants. Yes, they look a little droopy. This one I'm not so sure about. I may have let it go too long. It may be severely root bound and won't bounce back. But the rest of these, within 24 hours, is going to be standing up straight. They're going to look fine. They're going to do good. So my friends, it is time to head out and get some herbal seeds that you want to plant. Get your soil, get them planted, and help save your family a ton of money. It's not hard. It's very simple. If I can do it, you can do it. You guys have a great day. It has approximately been 48 hours since we repotted our basil. Look how nice they look. They're no longer droopy. They're nice and tall, other than just their spines being a little crooked. Get them loose. That's just how simple it is to be able to plant your own herb seeds, to get them started, and to get everything transplanted, and then $20. And think how many plants that you could make on your own without paying that obnoxious fee of $14.99 or whatever else might be charged. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it's also helping you become more self-sufficient with your family's food chain. Have a great day.